Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is a must-have for tackling spills, pet messes, and deep-set stains at home or in your car. Look for strong suction, easy maneuverability, and dual water tanks. Choose models with multi-purpose brushes and long hoses for better reach. Ideal for extending furniture life and keeping your space fresh and spotless with minimal effort. So, let's get started. Number 5. MUJERBAY Portable Spot and Stain Cleaner. Compact power for every mess. Tired of battling stubborn stains on carpets, sofas, or car seats? The MUJERBAY Portable Spot and Stain Cleaner delivers a powerful, hassle-free solution designed for modern homes and busy lives. Upholstery and Carpet Savior. This machine specializes in targeted stain removal, reducing the need for full-surface cleaning that can damage furniture over time. It helps extend the life of your carpeted surfaces while conserving water. Easy deep cleaning with powerful suction. With high-pressure spray and 12 kPa strong suction, this cleaner removes stains from up to 1.18 inches deep. Whether you're dealing with pet accidents, muddy footprints, or wine spills, MUJERBAY handles them without needing to move bulky furniture or disassemble car interiors. Upgraded features for everyday convenience. Portability is a breeze thanks to a built-in handle, 5.4 feet flexible hose, and an extra-long 16.4 feet power cord. Separate tanks, 50.73 ounces for clean water and 20.75 ounces for wastewater, allow quick filling and emptying. The top filling design minimizes leaks and simplifies maintenance. One-touch control and versatile brushes. Start with a single touch and avoid secondary pollution with its efficient system. A combination brush and suction head ensure deep cleaning, while the additional right-angled nozzle reaches cracks and corners. For longevity and hygiene, use the brush to suction clean water post-cleaning, an easy way to prevent buildup and contamination. The MUJERBAY Cleaner is your ultimate compact, powerful ally for spotless upholstery and carpets. The next is Number 4. Ailltopd Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner. Deep cleaning with powerful suction. Tired of stubborn stains ruining your carpets and furniture? The Ailltopd Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner delivers professional-grade cleaning with high-power suction, large dual tanks, and versatile attachments, making it perfect for homes with pets, kids, or high-traffic messes. Key features. Super large dual tanks. Features a 1.5 liters clean water tank and 0.8 liter sewage tank for longer, uninterrupted cleaning. Simply add detergent to the clean tank for enhanced stain removal. Never exceed max line to maintain suction. New upgrade powerful suction at 500 watts motor generates 15 kPa suction power, easily lifting tough stains like wine, dirt, and pet messes through spray, brush, and suction steps, leaving surfaces dry and fresh. Easy storage and space-efficient compact design fits under sinks or in closets, with built-in hose, cord, and brush storage to save space. Wide application range of clean sofas, mattresses, car seats, and more with 2 brush heads for different stain sizes. Perfect for accidents on hard-to-wash fabrics. Longer reach for larger cleaning includes a 4.26 feet hose and 16.4 feet power cord, allowing flexible movement between cleaning tasks. The Ailltopd Portable Spot Cleaner combines industrial-strength suction, smart storage, and multi-surface versatility in a lightweight, easy-to-use machine. Whether tackling pet stains, spills, or upholstery grime, this cleaner ensures a deeper clean with faster drying, keeping your home spotless with minimal effort. The next is Number 3. Kenmore KW 2001 Spotlight. Compact and powerful portable carpet cleaner. Kenmore KW 2001 Spotlight. Compact and powerful portable carpet cleaner. The Kenmore KW 2001 Spotlight is your go-to solution for quick, effective stain removal in a compact, easy-to-carry design. Whether you're cleaning carpets, furniture, or car interiors, this portable carpet spot cleaner is perfect for homes with pets, kids, or frequent messes. Key features. Powerful stain removal. Strong suction easily lifts deep-set stains from carpets, upholstery, and auto interiors. ideal for tackling pet messes, spills, and everyday accidents. Wet pickup and onboard storage. Built-in wet pickup function and integrated storage keep accessories organized and cleaning simple. Lightweight and portable, weighing less than 11 pounds, this cleaner is easy to carry around your home, upstairs, or out to the car. Instant cleanup for everyday spills. Quickly handles everything from muddy footprints to food and drink spills, keeping your spaces clean and fresh. Dual tank system. Separate tanks for clean and dirty water simplify filling and emptying. Comes with a trial size cleaning formula, so you can get started right away. Compact design. Its space-saving size fits easily under sinks or in closets, making storage a breeze in smaller homes or apartments. Versatile cleaning tools. Includes a 3.5 tough stain tool for targeted spots and a 6.5 wide path tool for larger areas. The Kenmore KW 2001 Spotlight delivers big cleaning power in a small package. It's easy to use, fast to set up, and stores away neatly, making it a reliable, must-have cleaner for quick touch-ups and tough messes alike. The next is Number 2. Shark Stain Striker Portable Cleaner. Powerful stain removal on the go. The Shark Stain Striker Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is a compact powerhouse designed for deep cleaning anywhere in your home or car. Ideal for busy households with kids or pets, this versatile cleaner effectively handles tough stains, pet accidents, and everyday spills. Deep cleaning power. Featuring Shark's dual-activated cleaning solution, the Stain Striker delivers up to 20 times more stain-fighting power. The advanced formula mixes inside the device to target deep-set stains quickly and efficiently. Pet-friendly performance. Say goodbye to lingering pet odors and smoke smells. The Stain Striker instantly eliminates strong odors, leaving your surfaces fresh and clean. Ultra-strong suction. Engineered for performance, it lifts embedded dirt and grime from carpets, upholstery, and car interiors, helping restore them to like-new condition. All-in-one home cleaning. Whether it's rugs, couches, stairs, or car seats, the Stain Striker handles it all. It's the perfect solution for spot cleaning across your entire home. Lightweight and compact, weighing under 9 pounds, this cleaner is easy to carry, store, and use in tight spaces. Its compact size makes it ideal for quick cleanups, both indoors and on the go. Bonus XL tool and full-size solution. Comes with an extra-large cleaning attachment for bigger messes and a full-size bottle of Shark's Pro-Level cleaning formula for added value. Combining power, portability, and convenience, the Shark Stain Striker is a reliable tool to keep your home fresh, clean, and ready for anything. The Shark Stain Striker combines powerful suction, advanced stain-fighting technology, and portability to keep your home spotless. Whether dealing with pet accidents, spills, or car stains, this cleaner makes deep cleaning effortless. A must-have for every household. The next is Number 1. BISSELL Little Green Hydro Steam, the ultimate portable cleaner. The BISSELL Little Green Hydro Steam is a compact yet powerful cleaner that brings pro-level results to your home. Designed for deep cleaning and fast drying, it's perfect for busy homes and pet owners alike. Key benefits. Helps save pets. Every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation to help rescue homeless animals. HydroSteam trademark technology combines steam, powerful suction, and BISSELL's Oxy formula to lift stubborn stains, grease, and pet messes, up to 50% better than traditional cleaners. 3 cleaning modes: steam wash for deep messes, steam for refreshing surfaces, and wash mode for breaking down organic stains like pet accidents. Fast dry time dries most upholstery in just 25 minutes, minimizing wait time. Multi-surface tools includes a 5 tough stain tool for carpets and auto interiors, plus a multi-surface tool for tile, grout, and shoes. User-friendly design. Dual tanks keep clean and dirty water separate. The 64 ounces clean tank and removable dirty tank make refilling and cleaning easy. Stain-fighting formula comes with Pet Pro Oxy Spot and Stain Urine Eliminator and Stain Protect for long-lasting cleanliness. From carpets and upholstery to stairs, tile, and even sneakers, the BISSELL Little Green Hydro Steam handles it all. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for tackling life's messes quickly and effectively. Best of all, it supports a great cause: clean your home while helping animals in need. So this is the best option for you to buy.